Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Or if you are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today's video is gonna be about modern living room ideas you need to try in 2023. Trends might come and go, but the living room continues to be one of the most monumental areas of the home that is revealed only by the kitchen. The high traffic space can offer a unique look into a person design aesthetic, but if you want to refresh your living room for 2023, here's your sign. It's time to give the space a modern touch. Admittedly, a living room and the modern aesthetic don't seem like a particularly compatible duo. As Cornell design principal and co-founder Sarah Sargent points out, simply hearing about a modern living room might conjure a look that sterile, austere, and one note, but in reality, modern living rooms can deftly bridge the gap between welcoming and well appointed. For us, modern means it achieve lifestyle need while also being minimal leaning. We believe mixing time period, tones, and textures can achieve a current look in 2023. Sargent says the secret of achieving a modern living room is taking environmental, ecological, and longevity factors into account. In other words, using locally sourced materials, working with nearby vendors, and minimizing climate impacts by reusing and buying vintage will help your living room transition nicely. However, even when you factor in those prerequisites, how to bring a dash of modernity to your living can feel like a tall order. To help, we have compact through the very best DIY home decor archives to find the sleek spaces that are brimming with inspiration, from statement making light fixtures to intriguing layouts. Best 10 of the list below as your 2023 design. Number 1 design, monochromatic living room. Want a punchy yet paired back palette and neutrals just are doing it. Reimagine your living room with a bolder hue, with a Vladimir Kagan sofa, an art deco rug, and paint source from Portula Paints. This West Coast area rooms looks alive through rose-colored glasses. Let's move to style number 2, shape shifting living room. Move over boxy armchair and rectangular sofas, furniture with an as a typical sill hostie is a surefire way to give those living room essentials some visual intrigue. The design add ashy Leonardo spruced up a park avenue pad with a curvy lounge chair from Move Mountains, as well as Balbo's custom sofa that's upholstered in rose unique wool. Style number 3, a ray of sunshine living room. Die hard maximalists will find the perfect compromise which offsets a neutral palette with pops of yellow and rainbow. Hewitt point. I wanted the room of to feel as thought you could sit in it on your own and read the newspaper or have a family game night or host a killer cocktail party. Style number 4, height defiant living room. The do accent their 30-foot tall ceiling with two clusters of custom light pendants, drawing the eye upward and creating light, airy space in the process. Number 5, design mirror marble living room. Want to dress up bare walls, but traditional artwork feels overplayed. Consider dosing your space in decorative mirrors. Not only does this woven arguments add some character to this spacious room, but the number of reflective spaces also help bounce the light around just night. Style number 6, textural living room. Repeat after us. A neutral ting living room can be anything but boring. If you need any convincing, have a look at this relaxed space by Cochineal Design. Here a rich array of light wood, cream, vocal, unhostery and high contrast art offers a more nuanced take on the parrot pack palette. Style number 7, plaid papered living room. Another way to hit the refresh button on a neutral palette, add a few patterns into the mix in a sea of bronze, creams, and black is energized with a set of vintage chairs in a Sandra Jordan Alpha palette. Style number 8, hip and hanging living room. Take the phrase sitting pretty to a whole new level, literally by incorporating a swi- swimming, swinging seat design from workshop APD made the most of this family residence by just opposing a hanging chair from Juniper home and a low slung double sided sofa. This power playing makes the living room appear even brighter and airier than it already is. Style number 9, treasure filled living room. Anyone can make a sleek living room appear warm and welcoming. All it takes are some thoughtful accessories in designs packed on the charm with intriguing ceramics and eye-catching artwork. The result, a living room that sweet spot between lux and lived in. Style number 10, repetitive living room. Why sell it for one cocktail table and one couch when you can enjoy a few? Give a living room an upscale gallery like atmosphere while keeping it conducive to your guest need. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Let me know down below in the comments about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.